Hey boys and girls, I just wanted to make a short video just to kind of recap and review how we check our grades. So here I am on my history main page. I hope none of your grades read a 0%. I am kind of signed in as a mock student with no grades here. If I go to my home page here and I click on my classes, I can usually kind of see all of my classes here so you can see them all on your end a little bit differently. Coming back here, I'm going to go to my history course, and I know you guys should not have all these courses on yours. So here I am in the history course. Your history course should look exactly the same. You may have a couple of extra announcements in the middle if you are missing work like this student. So I have some announcements set just to remind you if you are missing chapter 42, 43, or the Unit 6 quiz. Just a reminder, all of your work is always located in this class announcement here, going week by week, everything linked up in here for you. But most importantly, I want you to be able to check your grades. So it's very simple. You can do more than just look at it here. It says that nothing's overdue, but that is often wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says grades at the top. And it's going to give me a breakdown. And it does this in every subject, the same thing. So this particular student has nothing done. So you will see a 0 here. I have a couple bonus points. So it starts with quarter 2 and we work our way down. So if you work your way all the way to the bottom here, you will notice this is our current work. You can usually find a link and the due date as well as what date it will close. It's really important that you guys understand we do have due dates in middle school. Your work is usually due the next day, and then you have 3 days past that close date that you can still complete it. So you can always come here and check those grades. I can't stress enough, your feedback from your assignments is always going to be over here to the right. And you can see what it is that you are missing. So I can't stress enough, boys and girls, you do not need to ask your teachers what you are missing. You can simply check your grades yourself. And again, we're just going right down the list here. We're taking a look. My last 3 assignments are the only assignments that are still open. Again, I usually put those dates in there, not always, but this is how you check your grades, boys and girls. All right, and you do the same thing for all of your classes. Have a wonderful day, everyone.